Here's an app called Cuty Pet Widget and Island Pals. So let's just install it. There are a bunch of apps like an widget with this dynamic island pets. With iOS 16, now you can use dynamic island, choose your pet, play and feed, custom widgets, live and transports, notch wallpaper and lock screen widgets. And then yeah, you can customize, change backgrounds, care about you with smart reminders, customize notch, add your lock screen widget for launcher, custom your style, choose your pet, play and feed, and that's basically the idea. Get a cute pet now, they will be with you every day, whether on dynamic island or home, and lock screen widgets, they will be by your side. Remember to take care of them. Different pets have different routines. What to know what they're up to, take a look. And yeah, this is the app. Maybe it's like built in by some studio. You can see here a bunch of apps, and then you can just open it up, and then you can just select so notch wallpaper and lock screen widgets, and then there's get full access. Actually, it's quite a cheap app though, so you can get full lifetime access for like $19.99. You can allow notifications, and this is your Kitty app, Kitty pad, which you know now you just have it here, and then you can have this all these pet widgets. You can also get like custom wallpapers, and then there is lock screen widget, and then you can just add these pet widgets. So you can set also their names, you can set appearance. So yeah, that's basically what it is. I'm just curious, so how do I install this on dynamic island? If I try to shake my phone, you can see that Kitty is going somewhere. So now, okay, if I'm shaking the phone, it will appear. And then, okay, so now it appears in dynamic island in the top part. And then if you tap and hold, maybe you can also just add Cuty pet widget. So just tap on it, and then you will be able to add pet widget. Show your Cuty pal on your home screen. And then maybe they also have like a lock screen widget. So then if I want to install lock screen widgets, then it should also be available here. Cuty, or maybe they still don't have like a lock screen widgets, but yes, so that's what it is. So that's basically the idea of this app. It's a nice alternative to some other pet widgets apps, so definitely give it a try.